Set your out-of-office email, because in this game, we're going around the world. Here, we're working on players' coordination and agility. Create a circle of cones representing countries spaced at least 6 feet apart. Each player starts at a cone with their own ball. Here's how it looks.
In between, go!
On your call, players practice different skills while taking their ball from one country to the next in the same direction.
Can you bounce juggle to the next cone? Go! Excellent.
You can call out skills like rollovers. It's when you use the sole of your foot to move or control the ball, like this. First with one foot, then the other. Dribbling with only the inside of the feet or the outside, or with one foot at a time, then the other. Hopping with 2 feet while holding the ball.
Hop, 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 hop.
And of course, dancing. Or use your imagination. Coaches, you may be wondering what hopping or dancing have to do with soccer. Well, kids need to develop functional movement skills at this age. It's every bit as important as the game itself. So mixing in moves that make them coordinate multiple body parts at once is key. Remember, heads up, move in the same direction, and practice those skills. Now, who's ready to go around the world in 80 feet?